Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. The 16th Fulani Emir of Kano no look Uche face as e mount the palace seat where e dey receive royal greetings. Dis one happen despite the fact say Kano State Joint Security Agency declare dem go stand on court order wey say make dem no bring dis monarch back to the throne. Emir Muhammadu Sanusi II wey come out from the inner palace to the outer palace where im supporters dey wait for am ride on top horse come outside with full confidence. Na before now State Deputy Governor Aminu Abdulsalam Gwarzo tell newsmen say nobody fit change their position about bringing Sanusi back to the throne because dem do am legally. E say the so-called court order wey ban dem no reach their hand as at the time dem put Sanusi back to the throne. Na after many working hours wey mean say anything wey come from court on dat matter don late. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Dem don suspend the national chairman of Labour Party Julius Abure on top anti-party activities. Na Labour Party Ward 3 for Uromi Esan North-East Local Government Area for Edo State suspend the chairman. Letter of im suspension wey dem write on May 14, 2024 don approved yesterday night by State Executive Committee for Benin. Chairman for the ward Thompson Ihigeze and Ward Secretary Stanley Usiomo signed the suspension letter as dem advise the embattled national chairman make e stop to dey call himself member of the party because the suspension sec committee led by Kelly Ogbaloyi don take effect. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Organized labour don tok say dem no go accept any kobo wey comot from 100,000 naira as minimum wage from federal government as dem continue negotiation between dem and government representatives. The union say government no dey serious about the negotiation as dem dey drag money from 48,000 naira to 57,000 naira, say the money dey too small to consider. Dem say dis one no be the living wage wey President Bola Tinubu promise dem wen e become president and on Workers' Day. We hear say another meeting go come up on Monday. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. National Hajj Commission of Nigeria don tok say dem don carry 18,906 pilgrims for the 2024/1445 Holy Pilgrimage to Saudi Arabia. Reports show say dis pipo wey don fly go Saudi Arabia enter 45 plane, but 23 states for Nigeria never start to dey carry im pipo for 2024 Hajj. 14 states don carry their pilgrims finish, among dem be Kogi and Oyo. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Nigerians no go dey travel go immigration office to collect their passport again as home delivery of passport go start by June. Na Minister of Interior Olubunmi Tunji-Ojo announce dis development yesterday wen e dey inspect the electronic gate for Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport new terminal for Abuja. Tunji-Ojo say the delivery no go be everywhere to avoid overloading and damage to the system. E say Nigerian Immigration Service (NIS) go start home delivery for Lagos, Port Harcourt, Kano and Abuja, and for country pipo wey dey obodo-oyinbo, the delivery go start from United States and United Kingdom, but dem go first test am to know as e go be. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. President Bola Tinubu don send congratulation message to elder statesman Chief Edwin Clark as e clock 97 years. Na inside statement wey tok-tok for President Ajuri Ngelale carry come outside, Tinubu join family, friends and well-wishers to celebrate an inimitable figure for Nigerian political evolution. The president also salute Chief Clark for im contribution to the nation for different capacity, especially as a guide for many administration for national development. Tinubu wish am many more years in good health. Dis further tori dey inside Leadership. Super Eagles head coach Finidi George don tok say im no go follow dem pick new captain for team. Current captain of di team Ahmed Musa no dey active and dem expect say dem go comot am from di squad wey go face South Africa and Benin Republic. Inside di upcoming 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers, PAOK Salonika of Greece defender William Troost-Ekong don dey stand in for Musa Tete as Super Eagles captain. Finidi say na di responsibility of im players to choose who go lead dem. E say pipo tok say Sunday Oliseh pick im captain, Finidi George too suppose do di same, but Finidi say lai no be im responsibility to pick captain, say na di players go choose who dem dey comfortable wit. Dis further tori dey inside leadership. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.